This is Miami's finest. Got dogs. Fucking, look at the size of these buildings, eh? Everybody's got a dog here. Oh, it's a nice pic, eh? Eh?
One of the reasons why.
Yeah. Look at this side here. Those dogs are smart, eh? That big one there. Look at them two dogs over there. What the hell the dog them doing? Shit, over there.
The bumper changed.
You know, the bumpers,
in the
yeah.
back.
I know, eh? What the song says. I'm surprised that these dogs are well behaved, eh? Nah, we don't get that in Montreal. Nah. For sure we don't have nothing like this. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. Come on, Roman. He's like, I want to
There are a lot of dogs, eh? Hey, dog. Bomba cart, eh? Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, for real. You listen what you see, eh? Did you see what I see? Look at this one dog in a stroller, eh?
Bro, first thing I do in Montreal, I buy a dog.
Buy a dog,
right
eh?
away.
Yeah, we need one. Get out of here. What does the song say? Did you see what I see? Let's walk back around over there and come back around.
Look at the dog.
Yeah, no, I'm saying, dog,
They all like
dog in a carriage.
treat better than the
Yeah.
Hello. What is that?
I know, it looks like some food truck.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a food truck.
I'm pretty sure.
Food truck. Look at the size of these dogs over here. Go over here and take a video now. Yeah. Yeah. So yo, just like, subscribe, and share, man. Tell a friend to tell your friend. Look at that across the street there. What do we got here? Yeah. Got a fitness center over there. Guy practicing his shadow boxing. Moving around. Nice little hook. This hook is a little bit lame.
How was his shadow boxing?
Pretty lame. His hook is that sitting down. They throw the hooks.
through the hooks.
What is it? Yeah, he's throwing. He's going at it, man. He's training for the Olympics. Maybe he wants to fight Tyson. Or Mayweather. Look across the street. Anyways, I'm out. So like, subscribe, and share to the channel, and tell your friend to tell your friend. We can do it again next weekend. Coming to you from Miami. I'm gonna turn left and go back by the over there. Volleyball girl them. Yeah, I've never seen so much dog in a park, eh? Dog and bird. Dog park. He's strong. Whoa.
It's a couple versus couple.
Yeah.
It's a nice view.
Yeah, really nice. It's a nice evening. Thought they said it was supposed to rain.
You see, I need a girlfriend like that.
Yeah,
That you can play with her.
yeah, for sure. 100%.
Not only play with her.
Rent a dog. Come on, I'm doing one more tour.
No.
Yeah, no more walk. No more walk around the block. No more walk around the block. What kind of dog is this? That's a nice dog. It's a big friggin' dog. Too. Here's your port. Play some tennis over here. Guy chilling in his hammock. Gotta be chilling. So if we can walk here, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Go to the back. Yeah. Look at all of these boats. Pick one. Which one you want?
Yeah.
One over there with the Jamaican flag on it. You see it?
Where?
On that side over there. One called Sweet Carolina.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. What is
What
that?
restaurant is this? Big Money Restaurant.
What is his name? That's Adona. Oh, what? That's Adona. It's good to know.
Yeah. Yeah, money. I know, something like Big Money.
You said big money or
Or money or something like that. I don't know what the fuck he's saying. Look at this boat. That one is kind of cool, eh? Water split the side. Yeah. Running and jogging.
I don't understand why my parents came to Canada.
You know, you should come to Miami.
I don't understand why my parents came to Montreal.
Yeah.
Why?
Why not Miami, eh?
Yeah. Why I'm born in Montreal?
Yeah. You know, I was born close to here, eh? Jamaica,
Oh, yeah?
Miami, pretty close. I think you need some Miami money. That's the problem. You need the Miami money. I wonder how much that set them guys back.
What party?
Eh? Yeah, these boats are really nice. Look at this. port with all the boats. Aqua party boat. Yeah. Anyways, this is where we end it. You can walk up there, eh?
Huh?
You want to walk in the front, or you can go up there and walk and cut there? Oh yeah, I forgot.